LG Refrigerator Craft Ice. During normal operation, the automatic craft ice maker takes 18 to 30 hours to produce 3 pieces of craft ice. When the refrigerator is first installed, it will take longer to produce the first batch of craft ice. After installation, the freezer compartment needs to reach a stable temperature that is cold enough to produce ice. The craft ice maker then needs time to produce the first batch of ice and optimize the ice making process. It may take from 36 to 60 hours after installation to see the first batch of craft ice.